This is a Leica DMIRB. It is a, come in over here, 090-132.708, and then 52, 1623, 197.611. Anyways, got it plugged in, got a D cord, just grabbed a D cord. And I will turn it on for you. You see that the light lights up. Not really sure what else I can kind of show you here. It's kind of a neat piece. The lenses go underneath it. It looks like it's got a wheel. You can spin this thing for the different lenses. Side off, side on. This is on a swivel. That's to move that, obviously. And then I don't know what this does. Light source is on top, comes down. It's missing a lot of it's missing those lenses in there, but other than that, it looks like it's all here. I'm not sure what that piece is, but maybe something slides in there. I don't know. And that's the unit. If you got questions, concerns, let me know. Thank you.